Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to channel. In our previous video, we have deleted the LVM. Again, LSBLK. Let's see LSBLK. Okay. Then pv create /dave st. Okay. Yes. Okay. VG create VG0 from Dave SDB VGS. You're able to see is VG is 2 GB, 2.14 GB. So LV create, if I want to consume complete wala thing, so capital L 2.14 J, then name of the LV LV0, and from where Dave we can give VG0. Okay, LVS. So it's showing following row VG0 has insufficient space. 547 is there, 540 is required. So one chunk is missing. So what you will do? You will do, okay, let's reduce something. It got created. Okay. Now VGS, if you see, 4 MB is still remaining here. So this is the waste of the storage. To overcome this, what we can do? First LV remove LV0, VG0, LV0. Yes. So LVS is LVS. Okay. Now, if you see VGS is still 2.14 GB, I want to consume complete whole thing, like 100%. So LV create hyphen small l 100% of VG hyphen M LV0 VG0. Rated VGS. See, earlier it was 4M was free. Now it has consumed everything 100% LVS. So there are some chances where we use capital L, and there are some cases where we use small l. So what's the difference between capital and small l? So whenever we want to give complete size like GB, MB, we are specific to like a 10 MB, 10 GB. So we'll use hyphen capital L. But if we are giving in a percentage like 100% of this, like I can create 10% of VG LVS. Okay. And if you see VGS, just consume only 216 MB. So if you want to give like in percentage, you can use small l. So if interviewer asks you what's the difference between hyphen capital L and small l in terms of LVM, so both are having different unit of measurement. Capital L is having measurement unit like KB, MB, GB, and small l is having measurement unit on extents like logical extent, what we have discussed in previous video. So hyphen small l work with the logical extents, hyphen capital L work with the KB, MB, and GB units. And that's the basic difference between small l and capital. Now I have created a space. Still I am having. So what I can do, that we create hyphen L small of 50% of VG hyphen M VG1 LV1 from VG0. Okay, LVS, then VGS. What just happened? It was 2.14 GB. So from 2.14 we have consumed 216 in this 10% of that. Then it remained only 2 GB. So we have consumed the VG size, total VG size like 2.1 GB, and we have given 50% of VG, means 50% of the VG size. So 50% of VG size 1.07 G. But if I want to use 50% of free, then what will be my command? We'll change name there to now LVS. See, 50% of free. So whatever free in my VG, 50% of that I can create. Or if I do again, so I will get 222. See, 220. It was 440, and half of the deck thing is 220. So that's how small l work in terms of extents, like physical extent or logical extent. If I am having logical extent, so just half of those logical extent, or 10% or 20% you can And VGS, if you see, still 220 MB is remaining. So that's how you can use smaller in various manner, like 10% of my VG, 10% of free, 100% of VG, 100% of free. So that's all for today's video. Keep practicing. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.